Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a business partnership letter. What is a business partnership letter? A business partnership letter is a formal document used to establish or confirm a partnership between two or more businesses or individuals. It outlines the terms, responsibilities, and expectations of the partnership, and it may cover various aspects, such as ownership percentages, financial contributions, decision-making processes, and shared goals and objectives. Business partnership letters are typically used to formalize collaborations, joint ventures, or any business relationship that involves shared interests and resources. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a business partnership letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information. Yes, write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company. And write the company name. In this example, the letter is written by the CEO of the ABC Tech Solutions Company. And write the address of the company. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the occupation in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the founder and CEO. Of course, you need to also write the name of the company. In this example is Tech Innovations Incorporate. And write the address of the recipient's company. Don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing these information, you can then open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can give a warming greeting. For example as, "I hope this letter finds you well." And continue by giving a brief introduction. Yes, you should give brief introduction of the sender and sender's company. And tell the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, the writer stated clearly that his or her company proposed to collab. Here, you can write something like, "I am writing to propose a potential business partnership between ABC Tech Solutions and Tech Innovations Inc." Of course, mentioning both companies are a must. And then, mention the purpose of the letter. Yes, you are proposing a potential business partnership. Therefore, you can write, "It is with great enthusiasm that I explore this opportunity for our two dynamic companies to collaborate and achieve new heights of success." Sure, you can use your own language here, this is just a sample. In this letter, you will write some sections. They are including introduction, proposal, benefits, terms and conditions, next steps, and closing. For introduction, you may write, "Allow me to introduce myself and ABC Tech Solutions briefly. We are a tech firm dedicated to innovation in software development, with a strong focus on cutting-edge solutions for our clients. Our mission is to transform ideas into technological realities." And for the proposal, you can write, "The purpose of this partnership is to leverage our respective strengths and expertise, to create innovative software solutions that will redefine industry standards. By combining our resources, we aim to develop revolutionary products that meet the ever-evolving needs of our clients and the market." In the third section, you can elaborate benefits. In this case, you need to highlight the advantages and benefits that the partnership can bring to both organizations. For example, you may write, "Our collaboration can bring numerous advantages to both organizations." And then, emphasize the synergy between the two companies. Tech Innovations Inc.'s outstanding reputation for hardware solutions perfectly complements ABC Tech Solutions' software proficiency. So, it is about software and hardware collaboration. Of course, this collaboration will go perfectly as they complete each company. And here, the writer explained. Together, we can offer comprehensive end-to-end solutions, expand our market reach, and drive innovation like never before. You can convince the recipient by writing the list of big picture about promising benefits that your company and the recipient's company will get. And the next section is about terms and conditions. In this section, you can briefly mention how the partnership will start. Of course, you can mention it with a joint project. This is the example. We propose initiating this partnership with a joint research and development project focused on creating a groundbreaking software-hardware integration solution. After that, state that specific details will be discussed in an upcoming meeting. Of course, you need to meet and talk about this partnership. And write all the outlines you want to talk with the recipients. For example, the writer here mentioned details regarding investment, profit sharing, and the scope of our collaboration can be discussed further during our upcoming meeting. It is an implicit message that you ask the recipient to set a meeting with you. In the fifth section, it is about next steps. In this case, you can suggest scheduling a meeting to discuss specifics. Sure, you can let the recipient to set the time and place based on their convenience. And you can write something like, I suggest that we schedule a meeting at your earliest convenience to delve into the specifics of this partnership. Since you are proposing a meeting, you need to make it clear. Mention the purpose of the meeting. You may talk about alignment of visions, establishing a roadmap, addressing concerns, or so on. Sure, you need to mention them all here. For example, as, this will be an opportunity to align our visions, establish a clear roadmap, and discuss any concerns or questions either party may have. The decision about the partnership will be launched after the meeting. Therefore, it is important to not skip this part. And for the closing section, it is like you are writing the conclusion of your proposal. Here, you need to express your confidence in the partnership's potential. Simply write, I believe that this partnership has the potential to reshape our industries. And don't forget to thank the recipient for considering the proposal. If you don't know what to write, you may try this template. I am excited about the prospect of working with Tech Innovations Inc. And I am confident that our collaboration can drive unparalleled success. Thank you for considering this proposal. And finally, you can close the letter with a formal closing, such as sincerely. Add your signature and your full name. Write also your occupation in the company, as well as your company name. This format provides a clear structure for a business partnership letter, making it easy to convey your proposal and intentions effectively. So, that's how you write a business partnership letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.